Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon, and today I bring you guys Shiba Inu. This cryptocurrency is trending on so many platforms, it's everywhere in the news. So today I'm going to give you guys a price prediction, where to find some of the news, and some key information that can help you guys out if you're going to get involved with this cryptocurrency. Let's begin. We are on CoinMarketCap. This is one of my favorite websites to find some of the top trending cryptocurrencies out there. If you want to find Shiba Inu, their little ticker is SHIB. They have a huge billion-dollar market cap. They are number 10 on the ranking. So what is Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin. It is a meme token favored by the likes of Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. It even calls itself the Dogecoin killer, and like Dogecoin, features the Shiba Inu as its mascot. So it is a meme coin, guys, but let's see where we can find its social media platform. So they're on Twitter. They got a huge following, 1.5 million followers. So there's a lot of news happening with this. Also, if you guys check out their Reddit page, a lot of people on there talking about their charts. So you want to find other people talking about charts, projections, trading, hodling. Check it out from here. Well, let's hit those charts, guys. So Shiba Inu in the last 48 hours has been doing pretty bad. But if you look at the starting point, guys, this cryptocurrency, just on Coinbase, has started from, I think that's like 6 zeros. So people who bought over here is sitting fat and happy right now. But we're currently at this price right now, so let's do that price and value prediction. So for me, guys, there's not enough chart to really break down some technical analysis. So trading this is pretty much going to be it's going to be very risky. So for me, if I'm going to get involved with this cryptocurrency, I am going to hodl. How am I going to hodl this cryptocurrency, and where am I going to sell? Because that's the big thing you got to see on social media. A lot of people don't talk about selling. Got to have a plan for entering and exiting. All right, so we got our arrow. So for me, guys, I like to get into the market immediately. So with this cryptocurrency, since it's on Coinbase and is relatively new and highly speculative, I will be buying almost every couple days just to get into the base price, because it's such a cheap cryptocurrency. I do like the 2618 price, and it definitely seems like if it has enough buyers and the media spins this even more, a lot of people might be diving into it. So for me, I will be buying here at this current price right here. If it trends down lower to this lower support zone, I will be buying even more if I was going to get into hodling's position. I would not trade this at all. At this point, if it hits this and bounces higher, I'll be adding buy stops on the way up, and every single 618 that I go up to, or these future projections, I'll be taking some off the table. Just a little bit here, a little bit there, and if there's a huge spike up, I'll be taking more off. So my first price prediction, guys, is going to be the 2618 level. That is going to be 0.0001. 3 zeros and a 1. That's my price prediction, guys. Very simple, because we're just talking about hodling, and I'm not going to risk a lot of money on this cryptocurrency. I'll only put in something that I do not mind losing. If you're going to do the same thing, guys, just make your own plan and how you guys are going to do it. Because I'm not giving you advice. I'm just telling you what I would do if I was going to get this cryptocurrency. But that's my price prediction, guys. Now let's jump right to my website. Now my website is andrejmcclendon.com. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, stocks, trading, investing, forex, you can book a meeting with myself. We can do it on a one-on-one. Or if you want to find some indicators, stocks, gold and silver, and some stuff about MetaTrader, please click on the links. That's the video, guys. Please like, share, and drop a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video.